If LDPlayer keeps freezing, like everything just stops, hangs, or becomes unresponsive, yeah, let's fix that and make it run smoothly again. First, do a full restart. This clears temporary system glitches. Next, check virtualization. Enable Intel VTX or AMDV for better performance. Don't overload your system. Set CPU cores to 2 or 4 and RAM to around 4 gigabytes. High settings can cause freezing. Lower resolution and set FPS to 30 or 40. Try changing the graphics engine, switch between them, and test stability. Outdated drivers can freeze the emulator. Install the latest version, free up system resources. Too many apps running can cause freezing. Corrupted data can also freeze LDPlayer. Create a new instance or clear cache. If it still freezes, reinstall. This resets everything completely. So optimize settings, update drivers, free up resources, and reset the emulator if needed. That's the full fix for LDPlayer freezing issues in 2026.